Cash App Review 2025 Overview. Pros and cons. Investing. Is Cash App worth it? The surprising truth about money apps is that simplicity often wins, and Cash App continues to dominate in 2025. But is it really worth using for everyday banking and investing? Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send money, receive paychecks, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin. Getting started takes minutes, and transfers between users are instant. One major pro is convenience. Cash App combines payments, a debit card, and investing in one place. The app allows fractional stock investing, meaning you can invest with as little as $1. For beginners, this lowers the barrier significantly. However, most people get this wrong by treating Cash App like a full bank. While it offers direct deposit and savings features, customer support is limited and account freezes can be frustrating. Another downside is investing depth. Cash App is great for basic investing, but lacks advanced research tools and retirement accounts. Fees are mostly hidden in spreads, especially for Bitcoin purchases. In conclusion, Cash App is worth it for simple payments and beginner investing. If you value speed and ease over advanced features, Cash App remains one of the most user-friendly financial apps in 2025.